DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
YouTube, what's good, gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, we're back with some mad reactions, and we're there with Rymey Gad. Rymey Gad hasn't been active, you know. Rymey Gad now play. Rymey Gad say, yo, him not take too long in the new year for drop some tune. So Rymey Gad there with another one for kick off the new year. In there with more money. We are gonna check it out and see what deal with. Rymey, bad artist up and coming. We keep an eye on him in the dark. I drop some bangers. You see me? We now will provide much longer than Mafia. Well, yo, happy new year, you know, gang. We work at it, man. Active this year. You see me? This year, you see me, we don't make it the 10K, but we now watch it. Appreciate love and support, gang. We should pass that. You don't know it. God on time. You see me? Rymey Gad, more money, let's get it.
Buster Records.
Oh no. I just don't fucking know.
You don't know what time it is. Oh no, you know, gang. I test reaction channel on YouTube. You don't know. Let's get it.
Post I want more money. Pussy them a talk, them a none a big dog, them a puppy where you know about lucky. Me never take a money bad, but me that feel live large, just puppy where you know about.
Hey, me like it. So now this dog, I say I kick off here. Rymey Gad, come in.
About lucky. Me never take a money bad, but me that feel live large, just puppy where you know about lucky. I want 5, catch 4 more up, bitch, the job, for call at the page, what's stuffy. Me never.
Mama shake so.
4 more up, bitch, the job, for call at the page, what's stuffy. Me never always know about this way, I know about that. No, I Richard and Elon must them say, got great in a him, man, trust devil in a me here.
That's Fox, man, want Richard and Elon Musk. Who know Richard? Come on.
Richard and Elon must them say, got great in a him, man, trust devil in a me ears, as I believe and trust.
That's Fox, yo, God. So God great. I ain't with trust. What you mean? Come in.
Got great in a him, man, trust devil in a me ears, as I believe and trust. Sefi press the crown till he wheel stuck 23 in a the X4 every till he buck. Buster make it all road up in up. And
the till he buck. What you mean?
Make his skull ball like duck. So tell her look rookie if he no size up. He can never give cat make but
don't size up, Rymey Gad, come in.
Last weekend and a fine. Big gold redneck if he fine early. Wake up 6 o'clock another aisle. One skull and me change me life.
You
make us call ball. And him a call and I call Mr. James. One call and him a get reverse. What a shame. Never ball with my charger at the first.
Mr. James again. That put. Hey, dog, me up there. Put that.
And when he call it, return that again. But now we got one more charge, just one more payment. I'm at the bank with the checks and the digits. I got the stamps that
I got an old school blood clean for them. No, I don't know the phone there, no. Hey, easy, right?
Show that's legit. So send him on the got me yours, I'm finish.
Send it now. To your skull, send it.
Come on, more. Buster, more.
Come in, you know.
Buster, more money. Pussy them a talk, them a none a big dog, them a puppy what you know about.
A puppy boy and a big dog. Hey.
Oh lucky, me never take a money bad, but me that feel live large, just puppy what you know about lucky. I want 5, catch 4 more up, bitch, the job, for call at the page, what's stuffy. Me never always know about this way, I know about that.
You don't know about this, so you know about that, boy.
Pussy them a talk, cap of them a hype and have a house. In a couch every day and have a couch. I look cloth and fame, I am a poor.
Man say in a couch every day and have a couch.
Can't even buy mother food. Dog, but Buster want more money. Pussy them a talk, them a none a big dog, them a puppy where you know about lucky. Me never
know about, eh?
Take a money bad, but me that feel live large, just puppy where you know about lucky.
Come here, you know.
Ball, way you know about this, way you know about that.
Come on, gang. Yeah, man, Rymey Gad. You see me and say? Yeah, man, Rymey Gad. Hey, Rymey Gad.
Okay, let's be honest.
Oh, shit. What's going on? These are be disrespectful, gang. But yeah, man, Rymey Gad back with another one. You see me, the one in there, more money. I want to you. You don't know, who don't want more money? You know, I want to sit around with you, you know. No. But yeah, man, gang, Rymey Gad back with that one in there, more money. Rymey Gad doing him thing, you know. Yo, Rymey Gad, like Rymey Gad vibes. He got upbeats, melodic. You see me flow, I like him style, man. I not like you. He got some catchy tunes. You see me, I say? Rymey Gad. Big up your damn self. You see me? But gang, I know one thing about in the comment section like you. Show the artists all over and support, make you know so they dancing. You don't know. Let's chop it up in the comment section. You see me? 2025, we're back better than ever. You don't know. Yeah, boom bang in the middle. You see me? I say, gang? Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.